Well, hey dear unique, hello. Today is my birthday. Yeah, 3rd of May. I'm Spring's daughter. I'm the queen of my life. So, wish me luck and thank you. Really, I'm really grateful. Thanks for being in my life. All of you. Really, all of you. And of course, I want to tell you something so important. You have to live the life you want. Not, for example, your parents' wants, your lover, friends, or partner, or anybody else. You have to live the life you want. You are the queen of your life. Look, I am the queen of my life. You are the queen of your life. You are the king of your life. You are the hero of your life. Your own life. This is your own life. This is a short life. You have to live the life you want. I want to tell you, I live in a dark land. Seriously. There being so many challenges in my life. In 2024 was the worst year of my life. So many jealous people and so many of the people I helped them, the people around me, my students, they being my students for several years. I helped them so much. I've been there for them so many years. They're joined together to give me worst and darkest day of my life. They destroyed all things I had. My artworks, lots of my artworks. They just wanted to, I don't paint again. Did I give up? No. Look. You looking? These are my artworks. I'm going forward. I'm shining brightly because I know the world needs me. So shine brightly because the world needs you. Don't give up. I love you, Amira. I'm proud of you. Seriously, Amira, I'm proud of you. I love you. I respect you. I honor you. I know you've been through so many things, so many dark things, because of dark people, jealous people, bad people. Don't give up, because you are the queen of your life. You are the hero of your life. Yes, I am. I am immortal, always, forever, and beyond. And no one, nobody cannot take my place. Also, I cannot take someone else's place. I have to focus on my life. You have to focus on your life. This is your life. Okay? So dear unique, always remember there is only one you. There's only one me. So can do anything I want. I'm going forward. Yeah, there are so many challenges in my life daily. Daily. But I'm going forward. I want to make my dreams come true. I want to have a beautiful life to I want to, I want to be in a place to show my passion, my ideas through my art, through my dance, through my writing, painting, dancing. So many beautiful things. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. And again, wish me luck. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you so much. And I love you, Amira. Love you. Bye.